Hey dude, it's K Kakuda. I'm in a junkyard in Orlando. I seen this 91 Mustang GT listed at the LKQ, so I figured I'd come down here and take a look at it. Well, the pictures I've seen, the car was complete. I was down here like a week ago and we didn't stop here. I wanted to come by and stop here and kind of forgot about it. I came down with somebody else and we hit a couple other junkyards and we didn't come here and I forgot about it and went home. And so we just came back out here and man, this thing is stripped. You still get the 5.0 brakes with the suspension, sway bars. The engine's still in here. I don't know how good it is. It was a T5. They took the transmission. They took the wire harness for the engine. So if you wanted to do a swap, the wire harness is gone. They took the clutch pedals out of it. You can see the interior is really stripped out. The dash is right there. All the dashes are the same. Still has the back seat, but the bottom's gone. Door panels and all that stuff are gone. They took all the ground effects on it, all the moldings. They left the GT back bumper because it has a rip in it. They just took the lenses. They didn't take the whole lights. The GT trunk lid is actually in good shape, but they dusted the lock out of it. I hear Dre whistling for me, so I gotta go. No rust. The rear end's still in there. And the floor nesters are on the ground. So K Kakuda signing out. Thanks for watching. Coming to you from LKQ Junkyard in Orlando. 1991 Mustang GT.